I've been searching for an appointment tool that actually makes life easier, not harder. Reservio kept coming up in conversations, and I started to wonder, does it really live up to the hype, or is it just another scheduling app with a polished website? Let's find out. Reservio is an online appointment platform designed to take the stress out of bookings. The setup is simple. Create your calendar, share your booking link or website, and let clients schedule appointments 24/7 without calls or texts. It's built for service-based businesses like salons, spas, gyms, healthcare providers, tutors, and personal trainers. Basically, anywhere people need to book time, Reservio fits right in. Here's how it works. You sign up, set your available hours, and customize your services and staff. Clients view your real-time schedule, pick a slot, and receive instant confirmation. Automated reminders help reduce no-shows while you manage everything from a clean dashboard or mobile app. There's even a built-in point-of-sale system that lets you accept payments securely, track sales, and manage finances in one place. Think of it as a receptionist that never sleeps. Reservio runs quietly in the background, keeping things organized. What stood out to me? First, the simplicity. The interface is clean and intuitive, so you spend less time learning it and more time using it. Second, the automation. From reminders to recurring bookings, it handles all the routine admin work. And third, accessibility. The mobile app is smooth and responsive, making it easy to manage bookings wherever you are. Of course, it's not perfect. The free plan is generous, but many of the premium tools like advanced analytics, multi-staff calendars, and multi-location support are locked behind paid plans. That's fine for small businesses, but solo entrepreneurs might feel the need to upgrade sooner rather than later. Larger organizations may also find Reservio too basic.